Hey guys, just thought I'd send this through. So I have updated the ground floor plan. I've moved the stairs over to where they were. So pretty much I'm just going to start in the master bedroom. So master bedroom hasn't changed. Ensuite hasn't changed. I sort of thought a full height window in the ensuite because it will be opaque. So you can't see through, so it might as well be full height, letting maximum light in. I didn't think you'd have a window on the south above the vanities because of mirror cabinets. You possibly could have a small window there. I honestly think that would be enough light just coming through there, or a skylight, one of the two. Walk-in wardrobe. I've dimensioned everything on the plan so you can see all the dimensions. Master bedroom. Look, the windows for now I've just put in large. This one's probably questionable, this one, whether that'd be opaque, because potentially what I'd probably do with this one is almost have it like a ensuite window, but move it to the end. Hallway, WC, stairs coming up, hot water cylinder underneath the stairs that you access from the garage, pretty much like Rivera, Jesse. That's a long kitchen bench, and I wasn't too sure, Kaz, if I've got this right with the pantry, how you said it was into the garage. I mean, it works, definitely works. I just think, yeah, 5370 is pretty long for a kitchen. I mean, I'm surprised you wouldn't fit everything in there. Because if you did do that, if the pantry was in there, like a pull-out pantry that you could use underneath the stairs for the pantry, and then that way in the garage is going to give you a much longer laundry slash storage space. Door outside leading out to an outdoor area. Entry, so big doors, side lights, sort of a floor to ceiling window in there with a bit of greenery, which would look quite cool. So when you're in the space, you can look out and it's like a little green courtyard. Left the fireplace and the TV, and then we've got our double garage, single garage, stairs, external stairs coming up. So I'll just go to this level. So as you suggested, 3 bedrooms. Again, dimensions on these, they're 3.2 by 3.160, which are good size, and that's to the wardrobe. Come up the stairs, yes, a large sort of area in this space, but it is going to be quite a used sort of space. You could sort of do something a bit different. I said rather than storage, whether it's a desk area. I don't think you need another guest toilet, so I'd probably scrap that note. But yeah, it could be half storage, half desk. But this space in here is actually, when you think about it, it is from that point to that point is 1800. It's 2 meters. It's only a double door, really. So it's not overly big. It just looks big because there's nothing in there. Bedroom, 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 bathroom, walk-in shower, come around, window on the west, nothing on the south. Again, that'd probably be opaque. And then you'll see that this window is kind of to one side. Now, the reason for that is on the outside, and this is your call. That's the center line. So I've created a window center line of the ridge. I'll show you what I mean on the 3D. Wardrobe, wardrobe, wardrobe. Okay, the upper level studio. So you come up. So what I've done with this block wall, I'm just going back to the ground floor. So what I've done here, Jesse, is both of you guys, I've sort of created the block retaining wall 1100 back from the building. Now what that'll do is it'll take all the pressure off the house wall in terms of waterproofing, and all that. So you can pretty much just black seal this, Jesse, with black seal rather than full tanking. It's quite a good idea to kind of take it as the first line of defense being the block wall back there, and then the house kind of just sits on its own and it's not interfered with in terms of retaining. Laundry in the back of the garage. What you could do, if you wanted to, you could move these steps further up this way, and that way have a door. So you come in the garage, you get out, you go through a door. It'll have to open in. Oh no, it could open out, and then you walk up the stairs. I'd probably do that now that I'm looking at it. The reason why I've tapered this block wall out is just to give you more space for this car to come around. So yeah, you come up the stairs. Now you get to a 3-panel slider, and I thought, well, probably okay as a front door, to be honest. People do use sliders as front doors. So you come through, sort of dining area. The reason why I did the sliders so that in summer you could open this out, open that out, and you almost gain this sort of corner outdoor living space onto the deck. This is pretty much how wide you can do the deck before you start heading into the ground. And by the way, we've shifted the whole house and the studio a meter further south to give you a meter in the front, which I forgot to explain. But come through there, full kitchen, island, dining, lounge. I know before I had the kitchen in this spot, and I think you said, Kaz, the only switch you do is the kitchen in that spot. I might have been wrong, but just let me know. Bedroom east, bedroom west, good move. Wardrobe, hallway, full height window in here, so in the morning this would flood down with light. Bathroom, 1200 vanity, big window, walk-in shower, and that's pretty much it. I've sent you the guys the PDFs, but I'll just show you on the 3D. So pretty much, so that's the front. So made the top wider to accommodate that third bedroom. Still looks in proportion, still looks good. I wouldn't be too worried that it's not centered. It is what it is. I don't think it looks out of proportion. One side's just longer. You got your fireplace there. This is the entry. So what I've done with the entry is sort of brought this roof around, which was that skirt that broke up that massive wall. Brought it around and formed a hip on there. I think it looks alright. These roofs will just tie into each other. Just trying to think. Yeah, that should be fine. So that's that area, and then pretty much coming up this, so you can see that wall's been tapered. I just want to turn on the so this is the slope of the land, so you can see how much we're actually taking out. So the block wall won't, well, the block wall will feel that high because that block wall is 2 meters high. So, and then I've got like a timber balustrade up above because you can't have you can't actually fall down there. The only thing we may have to end up doing there is slightly retaining down this way as well, because obviously as you cut the bank, we'll need some retaining coming down here. But you come up the stairs onto this deck. Now, no handrail needed because you can kind of see if I unhide this, that is the ground level. So you can see the deck just cantilevers out into the ground. So you can't actually fall down there. Stairs are against the house, so you don't end up with a double balustrade. This half-high wall could be a weatherboarded wall or a slatted balustrade. Sometimes a weatherboard wall is good because you can sit down and still look over the top for the view, but still have the privacy. It's honestly your call. Down this area down here is going to be your outdoor service area. Window in the bedroom, full height in the hallway. That's the bedroom on that side. That's the one I was saying you'd probably shrink and move to this side. And then, yeah, that's pretty much sort of what she's going to look like. Now, this roof is following the height of that roof. So what you could do, if you're a fan of slope roofs, is you could slope this roof over the living, dining, kitchen area all the way up to this hallway, and then have the rest of the ceiling flat. It might just make the studio feel larger being sloped, but it's your call. And that's it, guys. So let me know what you think. I'm going to send you the PDFs as well, and then it's mainly the floor plans. The floor plan is probably the most important for both, and then it's the window locations for both, and any minor things that have to shift, mainly focusing on the Art Studio. But yeah, have a look, guys, and let me know what you think. Cheers.